I'm Antoni Carlos Luiz. I am project manager at CTA, Corporation Tecnológica de Andalusia, for the project CircleMED. We have three key actions in the project, which is to develop an assessment tool for SMEs, so they really can understand in which moment they are in terms of circularity and how they can improve this circularity business model. And so that's one of the key aspects. We also want to develop territorial hubs for circular economy in the different partners regions, and to also develop ways to harmonize and to monitorize the results of the project so they can be transferred across the Mediterranean region.
I'm Beatrice Colombo. I'm a research fellow at the University of Bergamo in Italy. And today I'm here to represent the GREENSMARTMED Project, in which the University of Bergamo is the project coordinator. The GREENSMARTMED Project aims at enhancing transnational cooperation among the 4 helix stakeholders of the 5 different regions involved in our project, namely Italy, France, Spain, Greece and Bulgaria. Specifically, the main target of our project are small and medium enterprises, and the results of our project can help these companies to easily enter the regional working groups, but also the trans-regional working groups, and also help them to easily access the financial capabilities to invest in research and innovation focusing on the manufacturing of the green manufacturing topic.
My name is Eudokia Balamou. I come from Larnaca and Famagusta District Development Agency from Cyprus, and I'm the lead partner of the REVIVE project, which is about developing community-based business model for the revival of the Mediterranean areas. So in this project, we are trying to build very much on the community engagement, on working with the real communities. So we are going to set up innovation community cooperatives, working with the different stakeholders of the quadruple helix in order to increase the interconnections and the linkages between the services and the sectors of the economy that exist in the rural areas.
Hi, my name is Sara Balcazar. I work at IrRADIARE. I'm ProcuraMED's Communication Officer Manager. ProcuraMED's main objective is to help Mediterranean regions to become more competitive, innovative, sustainable and resilient. The project aims to improve the innovation skills of business and local authorities, and also the use of green advanced technologies through strategic public procurement. The project's main outcomes will be the strategic procurement unified platform and also the European Mediterranean Coalition for Innovative Sustainable Economy.